So I would also like to thank the Indian community in the Gambia for making this generous offer to provide 75 lights, as Mr. Gay has said, on the eve of our 75th Independence Day of India.
Doomi India yi nekk biir réew mi fii ci Gambia ñoom ñi nga xam ne ñoo teg jëndal 75 lampa yi pour seen 75 independence celebration. ñu ngi leen a gërëm.
I think everybody has said everything that needs to be said, so I'm not going to take more time. I would like to thank the press, GRTS, for coming across, My Africa, who from spending the My Gambia for coming across, and my team from Comafric. Thank you very much, and especially a very, very big thank you to the team from Mbolo Association Fundema for the work that they have put in collaborating with us to bring you these lights. And I think this is a collaboration that we will try to see we can keep taking on. So Adama has a very important job now, and the other lady Abi has also got a very important job. We will try to see that we train more people so that we can have more solar multifunction platforms in the region. So I'm sure the ward officers will be very happy that the private sector is tying up with the development sector and the government as well.
So mu ngi gërëm media bi, especially GRTS, My Africa, My Gambia, ak staff yi comme Afrique Mbolo ak ñi fi toog yëpp. Mu ne ñoom ci seen jéem dinañ try pour gis ne ut nañ yeneen xale yuñ jàngal su ko defee projet yu mel nii dina mun a continuer di am ci yeneen dëkk yi. mu ne waaye mu ngi gërëm Adama ak Abi ñoom ñi nga xam ne ñoo dem jàngali waaye mu ngi wane ne tamit ngeen téye xale yi bu baax di wan Adama ak Abi ne am ngeen liggéey yéen a war a jàppale waa dëkk bi.
And I would of course like to thank Mrs. Meghna and her son Arav for coming along with us to also witness this as part of the Indian community. Her son Arav is doing a little training with us, and I really appreciate the fact that this young boy has come along with us today with this implementation.
gërëm jigéen ji ak doomam nga xam ne ñoo ñëw teewee lii moom mu ngi ci réew mi doomam dafa jógee ba India ñëw pour fekkee façon lii. mu ne moom itam daf day jàngale comme Afrique yenn façon yi jàngale yoo xam ne xale yi ñoo ko.
I think very heartening that what we do, the fact that you have also driven 210 kilometers to cover an event. So thank you very much to you. It shows a commitment to a social cause. First of all, yes, I would like to thank the Indian community. My community has very positively looked at various means. There are many more events going to be happening. We are celebrating indeed our 75th year of independence, and so we are our government has brought a hashtag Amrit Mahotsav, which we are going to be using for various activities, beach cleaning, planting trees, different things. We are looking at doing something with the hospital as well. This is one project with which the community immediately said yes, and I said yes, I'd like to do it because Comafric has been doing this for quite some time. So thank you. That the incentive that brings, the importance of light. A simple thing like light, which we take for granted sometimes. We just go home and switch on the light and a light comes on. When you come to a village that hasn't got light, it means looking for a candle. To buy a candle is expensive, it's dangerous, and the fact that they can just have access to a simple thing called light has meant so much for us at Comafric, and the Indian community really values this. And we promise to keep trying to do our best in the Gambia. We are doing this because we love Gambia. Gambia is our home away from home, and for many of us it is in fact our main home. Many of us haven't even gone back to India for many years, so Gambia is our home, and as much as we can do to help in however small a way, and using this platform of our 75 years of independence, it is gratifying for us to be able to launch many more projects.
How signify is this to you?
For me, this one is very special. This village is very special. A, because we have, if you know the Mbolo Association Fundema, we have actually tied up with them, and the lights that we are bringing in now, we used to bring them made in India now. We are bringing them, and with Fundema, who have trained, Comafric has trained Fundema girls into the assembly of these lights. So these lights that we are giving right now are assembled in the Gambia by Fundema. More importantly, it is done by rural girls. So we've got women empowerment, we've got rural development, we've got sustainability, solar energy. It's all put together, so it is very, very gratifying. More importantly, one of Fundema's girls who now works with us, Safia too, is the girl who has trained the Fundema girls in the assembly. What is again very, very gratifying is that two of the girls who were trained by Safia too at this are setting up these Fundema's solar multifunction platform in Fas, which is the next village very close by, and that means that the villagers now will have access to maintenance, to everything, maintenance, warranty, any small difficulties they have, and they will also be able to sell other products that villagers want to buy. Villagers have the money now to buy, so they will want to buy better products. This is a basic light, so they will want to have a fan, or tomorrow maybe a television or a brighter light. These will be possible through the solar multifunction platform started by Fundema. So this collaboration between Comafric and Fundema is very gratifying for me.